essential requirements, facilities for people with disability, and for that he is going to cycle 10,000 kilometers from India to Tokyo. And I asked him, Rohan, why have you chosen a cycle? Why have you chosen a cycle? He says, because I care for clean planet. So that is why he had to be here and honored here among all of us, because a child who has no disability has adopted a young child with disability, an orphan who was just walking around on the streets of Manipur. उसको एक घर लाया, उसको नहलाया धुलाया, उसको देखा, कोई पता नहीं वो बच्चा शायद 10 साल का ना भी हो सकता है वो ड्वार्फ हो, उसको ये संभालता है मणिपुर में, और हम सब की आवाज़ को वो साइकिल करके पूरे हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बल्कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में. So 2 words from Rohan, and we welcome you. Manipur and Northeast is very much part of India. We love you. We are all one. And thank you for thinking about disability community.
A very good evening to one and all. I have been to so many platforms, but I'm not as nervous as what I'm feeling right now. And I'm so sorry if I am, okay, let me just start with this. I believe that this is my call. As ma'am have told, I'm all okay in everything. I'm not deaf person, I'm a completely able person. Still, I think and I believe that this is my goal, because all of a sudden, all in my life, before this ride, I have done another 15,000 kilometers bicycle ride all around the country, along in India. And I have rose up the theme of humanity and environment. And all of a sudden, I found this homeless guy by the name called Dum Dum. Now he has become like my own brother, because I'm the only one in my family, I'm the only born son in my family, but I've adopted him, I've put him in a rehab center where I started to fight for this, for the rights of differently able people in Manipur, because we lack so many facilities in Manipur and also in different parts of Northeast. So I don't know what I'm doing, but I just know in my heart that this is the right thing that I have to do, and this is what I've been called for. So in this very beautiful moment and auspicious moment, I would like to seek the blessings of each and everyone, because I believe that I can do this once you all raise up your hand, you just stretch out your hand to me and say, bless me with all your grace and favor. And I believe that I can do this all through your blessing. And thank you so much for Deepa Malik ma'am for inviting me here and making me to introduce myself in front of all of you. And I'm new to this family and I'm so happy to be part of this family. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I request everyone, please pose for a while for the group picture. All the models, everybody please pose for the group picture.